everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Colossal Colleen. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. I am not doing great. I'm feeling a little bit low. I am not feeling well at all, but I just thought I may get late in this. So yes, I just sat for shooting. So I recently received, just today I received my fab bag, which is quite late, and I'm not really happy with their service because they send it so much late that each and every YouTuber has already done it, or the posts are already on Instagram, so that is quite for me. So yeah, now that I have received it, I thought I should shoot it too, just not by putting it on Instagram, because some of you people ask me to shoot rather than just posting on Instagram. So that is why I am here to shoot. Ignore my voice and just ignore my bare face. Like, I just applied eyeliner, I'm so sorry. So this is how it looks like, and I don't know what's inside, but let me see. So this is how it looks from the inside. It has this I don't know, it's not showing on the camera, but the color is goldenish, brownish, beige kind of, and this is how the fab bag looks like. I really like the fact that they send it in a pouch, because as a blogger I have to carry my makeup, so I really don't have much kits to keep in. So all of my makeup are in these kind of bags, so I really like the fact that they send bags. So let's see what's inside it. So they have these two cards. Alright, sorry. These two cards. One is to participate, and this is done by each and every bag, and I don't know why they do so. And the other is the goodie chart kind of a thing, what I have in the bag. So let's go ahead and see what I get first. So this is the first thing that comes into my hand, and this is, I guess, just a sample. This is Acne's the Acne Specialist Purifying Face Wash, Foaming Face Wash. Alright, so this is a face wash. Basically this is for traveling. I don't think anybody would use it at home, because this is just a pouch. So this is kind of a travel friendly kind of a thing, and yeah, I think this is a sample kind of a thing, maybe. So yeah, this is the first thing, and this one, let me tell you how much this retails for. This is ₹5 per sachet, so that's not at all costly. So I have got 2 of them. The other thing is lemongrass face wash by Vedantika. I am not really sure if I'll use it or not, because I've not heard of this brand ever in my life, and I personally don't use face wash apart from the Pond's one. I just use the Pond's face wash for my face. I don't use any other face wash because I'm not sure about any other brand. So yeah, this one retails for 150 rupees, but I would love to smell it though. Alright, so it smells like lemongrass, and I don't like it at all. Alright, so the next thing is again by, it's by Nirvana Crafted Naturally Pure Aluminum Soap. So this aluminum soap retails for 150, and this is their full size product. So I love using different soaps, and this smells like neem, all neem. Ugh. So I really love using different kind of soap. So yeah, I would love to use this one. The next thing is this is Johara Pro Shine Nail Color. So this is, I don't know, they've not written the price of this one, but I want to see the color because I want to change one. Alright, so this is a very nice baby pink kind of color. I really wanted this color because I wanted to do a nail art. So I was just thinking to buy it from Nykaa, but I don't think I'll buy it now because I've got this one. So this is how it looks like. This is the color. So yeah, this is really nice. This is in the shade Pink Youth. So yeah, this is Pink Youth. And this one, this is just the bestseller bonus that they've given us. So yeah. So the next thing is this packed in this bubble wrapped. I don't know why they've packed in this wrapping, because this was not at all packed. So this is Sea Soul's what? This is lipstick. Alright, this is lipstick, and I'm in the shade ML12. And this is, I guess, yeah, this is a nude color. I am a really big fan of nudes now. I don't know, nudes and browns, rather than going for reds and all. I go for pink. And I know you people have asked me to shoot my lipstick collection. I would love to do that, and I'm just going to do that, don't worry. So let me swatch it once. Alright, so this is a very pretty pinky undertoned nude color, very warm color. I love this color. They say this is lead free. I don't know if it does give sense. And the last thing that comes into my hand is Sugar Contour. This is their mini blush. So this is in peach pink color, pinch peak 01 shade, and this is kind of broken, I guess. So this is the same shade. This kind of matches my lipstick's shade. This is how it looks like. It's very nudie, it's very warm, it's like formal kind of a shade. I love this one, I really do. And yeah, I would love to try Sugar products, because I am in love with Sugar products. I really loved their eye palettes. I love their what else do I have? Compact. I really love that. So I would love to try this. This one's their mini version. You can also buy their the full size product from Nykaa maybe. The description will be down below. And this is it for this video, because my bag is empty now. And yes, I did receive these products. I'll have shown it to you guys. And by the way, this one retailed for 530 rupees. I look so bad. It seems like I'm all gone, but what to do? It's hell wintry and cold in Delhi. So yeah, that is why I'm like that. And I keep on falling ill. By the way, I've shot my video on the Valentine's plus size lookbook, and I would love it to share it with you guys. I don't know if this video comes before that or that comes before this video, but I'm just telling you people. And if you haven't watched that, if it has already come and you haven't watched that, please go watch it. The link is in the description. Or if it's not there, then it would come on the next day when I upload. So get ready. I've shot a very pretty pictures in the outfits, and the outfits are amazing, like amazing. I'm in love with the outfits. Yeah. So yes, my plus size winter lookbook will be up also soon. I'm just working on that. And yes, this was it for the video. I hope you did like this video and my effort to just do this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.